Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Pawnee Buttes, or 28 miles southwest of Kimball, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include West Plains, Pawnee Buttes, and North Sterling Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.